Create 3 folders in your Obsidian vault: Inbox, Knowledge, and Projects. That single action is the first concrete step toward building your digital brain. A digital brain is simply a personal knowledge management system that acts as a second memory, storing everything you want to remember and use later without scattering notes across a dozen different apps. Instead of relying on your own recall or digging through separate tools, you keep every idea, project, and piece of research inside one connected Obsidian vault. If this sounds helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's walk through exactly how to set up this foundation. Open Obsidian and navigate to the File Explorer sidebar on the left. Right-click anywhere in the empty space and select New Folder. Name the first one Inbox, the second one Knowledge, and the third one Projects. Each folder serves a distinct purpose in your workflow. The inbox is your capture zone. Every raw thought, quick note, or sudden idea lands here first. The Knowledge folder holds organized, evergreen information you want to keep for future reference, like research notes or book summaries. The Projects folder stores active work, planning notes, and anything tied to a specific outcome you're pursuing. This 3-folder structure is deliberately minimal because a digital brain grows best when you start simple. Many beginners make the mistake of creating a dozen folders up front, which leads to decision fatigue and abandoned systems. Keep it lean and let the structure evolve naturally. Now inside the Inbox folder, create a note titled Digital Brain Dashboard. This note will serve as the homepage of your entire system, the central command center you open every day. Add the following headings: a level 1 heading called Digital Brain Dashboard, then level 2 headings for quick capture, active projects, recent notes, knowledge areas, review schedule, and related notes. Under quick capture, leave a blank bullet point so you can immediately dump new thoughts. Under active projects, list your current work. Under review schedule, add a date field to remind yourself when to check in. This dashboard gives you a single glance at what's new, what's active, and what needs organizing. It's the anchor that prevents your vault from becoming a chaotic pile of notes. Whenever you come across useful information, an idea, meeting notes, a task, a question, or even an observation, create a new note inside the Inbox folder. Do not worry about where it belongs yet. The entire philosophy of a digital brain is capture first, organize second. If you stop to categorize every thought as it arrives, you'll break your flow and lose momentum. Just write it down quickly in the inbox. This low-friction habit is the single most important practice for making your system stick. A common pitfall here is overthinking the content. Just get it out of your head and into Obsidian. You can refine it later. Next, move to the Knowledge folder and create a note called Knowledge Library. This is your index for long-term reference material. Add a level 1 heading, Knowledge Library, then level 2 headings for topics, recent additions, learning notes, reference materials, and related notes. As you capture notes in your inbox, you'll periodically review them and decide which ones deserve a permanent home. Those get moved into the Knowledge folder with their own individual notes, one topic per note. For example, if you capture a brilliant insight about note-taking methodology, create a separate note called Note-Taking Methodology inside Knowledge. This makes information easier to search, update, and connect later. If you lump multiple topics into a single note, you lose the ability to link them precisely. One note, one concept, that's the rule. Now create your Projects folder note, Project Hub. Add a level 1 heading, Project Hub, then level 2 headings for active projects, project information, next actions, complete projects, and notes. Under project information, add fields for project name, priority, status, and deadline. Use this hub to monitor ongoing work and connect projects with related knowledge. For instance, if you have a project called Build Website, you can link it to research notes about web design stored in your Knowledge folder. This bridges the gap between what you know and what you're doing. Connecting your notes is where the magic happens. Use Obsidian's internal linking syntax, double square brackets, to link your dashboard with the Knowledge Library, your dashboard with the Project Hub, and any knowledge note to any relevant project note. For example, inside your dashboard under Related Notes, type Hijacked Knowledge Library and Hijacked Hub. This turns static files into a dynamic network. Each link creates a visible connection that you can click to navigate, and Obsidian's graph view will eventually show you clusters of related ideas. Building these links transforms scattered information into a connected knowledge network that you can explore and traverse. Without links, you just have folders full of isolated text. Add properties to your notes for even better organization. In Obsidian, properties are metadata fields you can add at the top of a note. Useful ones include category, status, priority, date created, last updated, and related project. For example, a note in your knowledge folder might have category research, status complete, and date created, January 15th, 2025. Properties make it easy to filter and sort notes as your vault grows. You can also combine them with Obsidian's search or data view plugin later for powerful queries. Beginners often skip properties, but adding just a few from the start saves huge headaches down the road. Tags provide another layer of organization. Add tags like #knowledge, #project, #learning, #research, or #personal to your notes. A tag is simply a word preceded by a hash symbol inside the note. Unlike folders, tags can overlap, so a note can belong to both #project and #research simultaneously. Use them consistently across similar notes, and you'll be able to click a tag to instantly see every related note. The key is consistency. If you use #research in one note and #research paper in another, they won't group together. Pick a handful of tags and stick with them. Finally, establish a simple workflow. First, capture new information inside the inbox folder. Second, review your inbox on a regular schedule, every day or every few days, and organize useful notes into the knowledge folder. Third, connect knowledge notes to active projects in your project hub. Fourth, review your dashboard regularly and update it as you learn new information or complete projects. This creates a continuous loop: capture, organize, connect, review. It takes maybe 5 minutes a day once you're in the habit. Over time, your digital brain becomes a valuable personal knowledge base that helps you remember information, generate new ideas, and work far more efficiently than you could with scattered notes or your own memory alone. If you save this video or bookmark these steps, you'll always have a quick reference to rebuild or expand your system. Start with just those 3 folders and your dashboard. Capture one idea today and let your knowledge network grow naturally. Happy building.